pop out. We be doing things that we don't talk about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing.
Hi guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and I'm back with another unit featuring Afsisterwigs. So if you guys are interested in this one, definitely check the description box down below where everything's going to be linked for you. But this time around, I decided to pick up their 9x6 3D dome cap Swiss HD lace front unit with those knots bleached, also with the C-shaped design, making it so you have a comfortable fit, the anti-slip band that is on the inside, the removable combs, which feels good when you're going to sleep with your unit on, as well as this drawstring, which makes this unit completely glueless. But this is the way my unit came directly out of the box. I love the fact that they allow you to style the hair the way that you want it to be styled. So I went ahead and opted for a side part. You can also wear this in a middle part. It really doesn't matter. You have an ample amount of parting space. For styling, I do like to take my Eco Styler gel and just apply it along the edges so that I have a ready to wear fit and I don't have to do much styling once I get the wig on. I also like to set it with my elastic band. It just gives you a laid appearance. But as far as styling these curls, I want to go for a wash and go. So what I'm going to do is take my unbrush and detangle the entire wig. The thing that I really like about this wig is that even though this hair is super full and thick, I didn't get much shedding. But as far as getting these curls to pop, I like to drench the hair with a lot of water and go through it and detangle it once again just to kind of reshape those curls. And then I'm going to apply my curling product. I use the curl maker. I'm just applying a little bit to the hair and then taking my curl defining brush to define those curls, and you can see just how juicy they look. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing all over the wig. Just wet the hair pretty good, detangle it, apply a little bit of my curl maker, and then go through the hair to get those curls to define. Once this hair is dried, we're gonna see just how gorgeous these curls turned out. So stay tuned.
Is you picking up what I'm putting down? They like cat on your back with another style. All for the love of the game, I just wanna ball. What happened to a little ups? I do not recall. Can be sliding down the block, see me riding.
So it is the next day and those curls are fully dried. Again, we're going to check out the hairline. Now they do offer a pre-cut service, so if you don't want your lace on, you can have it professionally cut. But I'm going to go ahead and get this unit on. The fit of this unit feels really good. I would say that it doesn't matter what size your head is, it feels very secure. And this C-shape ear design makes life so much easier. And the thing that I absolutely love about this unit is the drawstring, making this unit completely glueless. In addition, with that anti-slip band on the inside as well as the 3D dome cap design, this unit sits very close to the skin, making it to where it's not going anywhere. I am going to apply a little bit of my foundation powder as well as some concealer in that parting space just to define it a little bit, as well as go through the hair just to soften it. If you applied a lot of product, you definitely want to make sure you scrunch all of that cast away. And I'm also just going to lay the top of the unit, and I am applying some baby hairs. This is completely optional, but I do want to cut some baby hairs in the unit just to kind of give it a complete look. I'm not doing anything too crazy, even though it looks crazy, but I'm going to soften up these baby hairs later. And of course, just add a bit more of that foundation powder and you should be good to go. Again, this unit does come with 9x6 inches of high definition lace, as well as those knots are bleached, and these curls are in a Burmese texture, so they look so good. It has so much volume, and I have my unit in a 20 inch. Now here are the angles of the hair. Again, this does feature the 3D dome cap design, as well as I am 5'8", feet, and this is where the unit falls on me, with the additional drawstring, making this unit completely glueless, and the density of this one is 150. But right here, I'm just going to show you guys just how easy it is to change up the style of your unit.
Show me what you got on it. I'ma make it work more for this, 'cause you're just mine, you're just mine. Don't waste my time, get me right, change my mind. Baby, you're just mine, get me right, give me life, change my mind. Baby, oh.
Y'all, these Burmese curls are everything. These curls bounce back with just a little bit of water and your diffuser. Again, this unit is not glued down, so you can see just how secure it fits. But again, y'all, this unit comes from Afsisterwigs. This is their 3D dome cap drawstring 9x6 lace frontal unit in the texture Burmese curly. I have mine in the 20-inch. The density is 150%. Y'all, let me know what you think about this unit, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Don't waste my time.